if you ever dream of starting a travel agency without owning an office space or spending millions, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you profitable travel agency niches that you can start with little capital from the comfort of your home. The travel industry is an evergreen booming industry. Like right from ages, the travel industry is that industry that does not get affected by trends or no matter what the world is going through. The travel industry has remained one of the most lucrative industry in the world. People are making money from this industry right from the comfort of their home without owning an expensive office space or investing millions in it. So if you've not watched my video on how to start a travel agency, make sure you watch this video. This video will help you to understand this particular video that I'm currently doing, as this video is a complete tutorial on how to start a travel agency. If you're very serious about starting a travel agency, make sure you watch this video to the end. I'll be giving out important information that will be very helpful for you in this business. So number one on my list is relocation and work travel agency. In this travel agency niche, you're only specialized in anything concerning relocation and work. Do you get? Just like we have today, you see people jackparing to different countries and be needing this thing, and there are a lot of people that actually want to relocate. They don't know how to go about it. What you're specialized on is in helping people to relocate, whether they are relocating through work or just relocating to go over there and look for something doing. For those that will be going into this particular niche, I know that you do not have knowledge on how all this thing work. So what I'll advise you to do is to search for agencies that are already doing well in this particular niche and partner with them. So that is all you have to do. You don't need to spend any money or anything. Through partnering with them, you're going to give them customers, and as well you're going to be building your own knowledge, because you're not going to partner with them forever. At a time when you grow to some certain extent, you have to be independent. How you make your money here is either by commission, that is when you bring customer to them, they give you a certain percentage, or you adding something on the customer's total package. Do you get? That is, if they say okay, a total package for the person relocation is 9 million, you can make it 9.5 or 10 million. So when you submit the 9 million to your partners, then you keep the remaining 500k or 1 million to yourself. So number two on my list is the education or student travel agency. So we aka student visa, you know the way people call it, but here it's not just about the visa, it's everything about the travel as a total package, right? So in this particular niche, you help people to secure admission, scholarship, to study abroad. The work is to make sure that everything that concerns the students' enrollment in any university or any institution is successful. And there's a wonderful opportunity in this thing, and that is the affiliate opportunity. You see, if you become so good in this, you will have affiliate opportunities, partnership opportunities with universities from other countries. So reach out to schools abroad for a partnership. So it depends on how well you do it, because before you reach out, you make sure that your portfolio on this is very, very good. How do you start this with zero idea or zero knowledge on it? Partnership. You need to look for agencies that are already doing well in this and partner with them. You need to send them outreach every day. Make sure that you send up to 10 outreach to different agencies. Let me tell you something, by the time you send 10 every day, you definitely get good response. So number 3 on my list is business travel agency. Just like the name implies, business travel. That is, you are only specialized in anything concerning business. Do you get? You help people traveling for business to get visa, book accommodations, aid their movement in the city that they are visiting. You get? So, and a lot of things. Traveling for a fair, they are traveling for exhibition, they are traveling for anything at all. You're the one that will handle all those stress for them. All they need to do is to just pay your money and you offer your service. So for someone starting up in this particular niche, so how do you start with zero capital, zero knowledge? All you have to do is you partner. You need to look for a travel agency that is already doing well in this particular niche and partner with them. Partnering with them does not mean that you're going to stay with them forever. It's just like doing apprenticeship. But in this particular apprenticeship now, you're being paid, because when you partner with them, you're going to get paid either through commission or you adding something and getting your money. Do you get? Number 4 on my list is the group travel agency. You see, in this particular niche, you are only specialized on anything that has to do with group tourism. where you visit countries in groups for tourism. Do you understand? For instance, you want to visit Kenya, that is, you want to do Kenya safari, and the slot there is just for 10 people. Do you get? So that is how it works. 10 people visiting Kenya for tourism, for enjoyment, in fact. So that is what this group tour travel agency is all about. There are people already in this and they are doing it well. You can even start this on your own without having to partner with any travel agency. If I want to start this particular travel agency, here is how I will start. I will not start with traveling to Western countries. I will start here from Africa. I can start with Ghana, I can start with Togo, I can start with Cameroon, Kenya, you get? So it's very easy for you to start it within Africa. Start with a bus trip first, because it's going to make it very easier for you to start. Visit countries that are closer to Nigeria. It is going to be more easier for me to start this way independently. There's so many transport companies in Nigeria that travel to other countries like Chisco, ABC, I think African Eagles, and some other ones. I call it fun travel because it's basically for enjoyment. Number 5 and the last on my list is the Nomad Travel Agency. And in this travel agency, you serve digital nomads and remote workers. So what you do here is you help them flex while working. I also call this a lifestyle travel agency. You work while living your dreams or living the life, like we say. So in this travel agency, you help this category of people to plan trips and visitation to other countries. So imagine you're working and traveling the world. Do you get? You're just working and flexing. In that era where we have lots of remote workers, freelancers, content creators. This business is a business that has that tendency to grow so fast because of the era we are in right now. We are currently in that lifestyle era. At the beginning of this video, I promised that if you stay to the end of this video, I have an important information that will help you in starting this. So all you have to do is go to the description box below and download this information. You found value in this video, please do not hesitate to like this video, comment, and also share this video to other people that might need this kind of information. Thank you for sticking to the end. See you in my next video. Bye.